Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pyro Ronnie, and we back with the last episode of the 2021 stash before the 4th of July. So here you go, episode number 15. My final pickup. All right, we won't be doing a completion, an unveiling, because I've been preparing everything for the 4th of July. So you won't get to see my total grand stash. That's why I did it on episode back. So check out my videos when you want to see everything that I picked up. But since then, I've been picking up, and we're gonna start off with something simple. One of these 21 shots by Alien. And if you guys been paying attention to my videos, you know that I like a little bit of Alien product because they bang. You know what I'm saying? This is 21 shots. Let me give you guys a better gander here. How about that? You guys like that? See it out there? 21 shots. There you go. Warning. It's a big, heavy 500-gram cake. Here's the performance. Got chrysanthemum mines to brocade crowns with red, green, purple, blue, lemon, and orange dahlias. Chrysanthemum mines to brocade crown and chrysanthemums again. It is a fan cake, and it's pretty big, as you can see. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. There we go. Next up, we got this right here. Yes, sir. That Warrior Ninja assortment pack. Yes, sir. We got that right there. Bunch of good stuff up in there. Yep. Got some artillery shells, some single shot tubes. There you go, missile batteries. Some basic stuff up in there, but it looks loaded with a bunch of fun stuff to get the party started. Got a lot to get the party started. Next up, we got this right here. If you know, you know. You got it. You got it, buddy. The bridge to Terabithia. Yes, sir. All right. There it is. For those who know, you know. Next up, we got this right here by World Class. Yes, sir. Wise guys. Wise guys. These guys are really wise. And if you know about these guys, it's a world-class cake. And it's a classic. Definitely classic. 16 shots. Yes, sir. We had to pick up one of those last minute. So we got one of those. Pyro Ronnie is the king. And I'm trying to tell y'all. Yes, sir. If you cannot see, you can see now. Last episodes have been nothing but 500 grammars mostly. You like that? Yes, sir. Next up, we got this right here. For those who know, you know. I had to grab one of these. Top Gun Eddies. There it is, and you know what the deal's about if you got one of these. And this is your 1-1. You're gonna have big fun. You don't need nobody else as long as you got Top Gun. Pyro Ronnie, once again, I love y'all. I'm your friend. Come on, y'all know. Let's begin. This is not in, it's just a trend. Yes, sir. Get ready for that 4th of July. Got your screaming babies. All right. Next up, we got this right here. For those who know, that world-class fire eyes. You know what this cake's about. This cake's 16 shots. And, you know, it crackles when it goes up and breaks. So all the shots are all crackles when they go up with nice big breaks. There's your performance. Comet, rain, tails, golden crackling willow, red glitter. Man, this thing is dope. So just want to let you guys know we grabbed one of those. Performance. All right. There it is. There it is. You know what? Did get this. Yes, we did. A 25 shot, 200 grammer called Rainbow Night. And it's a must-have in your show. This is a really good 200 gram cake. For those who know and shot this, you guys know that it's pretty good. There's your performance. Silver dragon tail and multicolor bouquet. So, pretty nice cake. Last but not least, got those. This concludes Pyro Ronnie's fireworks stash update before the 4th of July 2021. I'd like to wish all of you a happy 4th of July. Until next 4th of July, where the stashing continues. All right, Pyros, good luck. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. Eat all the barbecue you can. And do not under any circumstances ignite fireworks under the influence of anything but happiness. All right? Safety and love. Peace.
I can't think.